Today guys, I am going to show you how to make betel nut chewing. This is how you make. First, you're gonna need this white lime. You had to buy it in an Asian store. Then you're gonna need a little bit of this. Just put it like that. You don't want a lot of this because it's gonna burn your mouth. You know, this is how you make it the proper way. That will give you a boost. Okay, that's pretty much it. Then you're gonna need your tobacco. You can buy this in an Asian store. It's called pan leaves or betel nut leaves. You can buy those. Those are like $5, like a bunch of them. You're gonna need your tobacco. Like that much. And like that. Then you're gonna need your betel nut. Like this is a betel nut. It's already cut up. You don't want to buy the whole thing because it's no good. You're gonna buy the one that is already being cut. This one, like dried Korean palm nut. You're gonna buy the one that is already cut into small pieces. So that's about it, guys. And then once you have like that, okay guys, it's gonna be look like this. You roll it like that. Put in your mouth. Keep chewing it. We have this in the Philippines, but I didn't know about this. I learned it from people from Thai, my coworker, and people from Burmese. It's gonna give you a little bit high or a boost feeling. It will give you dizzy. It will get your fear, or it will get your worry away for a little bit, for 30 minutes or an hour. Keep chewing it. Keep chewing. You have to chew it fast because it's burning. Boom. Spit. Right there, guys. It start kicking. It's just nasty. Right now it start kicking. It give me really lightheaded. Once start kicking, I I keep it in the mouth at my saliva. Oh, right now it's really start really kicking really bad. It will get you out balance a little bit, like you're drunk a little bit. It will get your fear, worry. There it is, guys. Now you can start talking. You feels like it give you a little bit happy. You get your stress a little bit. It will get your stress away for a little bit. Look at that. Now the guys have a little bit a buzz, a little bit dizzy. Showing it. That's how you do it, guys. If you don't get buzz, you're doing it wrong. That's how you do it. Now you can ask a girl out.